Hi everyone, today I want to share a microwave penda recipe. For this you only require 4 ingredients. So we need half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Okay, so half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. And here I have soaked, say, a large pinch of saffron in some warm milk. 1 bowl of milk powder, this is full fat milk powder. And just over half a tin of condensed milk sweetened. Okay. So now in a microwave safe bowl, we're going to add in the milk powder. So in goes the milk powder. And we're going to go in with just over half a tin of condensed milk, and then I'm going to go back with a little bit more. So just make sure you mix that nicely. So that's half a tin of condensed milk. Mix that. You will require a little bit more, so it's just over half a tin. Okay, so make sure that's stirred nicely. Just going to go in with a little bit more. Okay, so a tiny bit more, say about a tablespoon. Okay, so now this is the exact consistency that we need. Now I'm going to pop this into the microwave for 1 minute. So put it into the microwave on a high heat, mine's 950. Pop it into the microwave for 1 minute. You could add, okay, so it's been 1 minute. So just give that a quick stir. You could add a teaspoon of ghee if you wish to make it slightly smoother. Now I'm just adding my cardamom powder and my saffron milk. This will really give a nice flavour and also give a really nice colour as well. See, it's gone nice and golden. Now we're going to pop this back into the microwave for 1.5 minutes. But I am going to check 30 seconds later to give that a quick mix. So back into the microwave for 1.5 minutes, but we're going to come back in 30 seconds. Okay, so here it is. It's been 30 seconds, so I'm just going to quickly take that out and give that a mix. You can see it's coming together, just needs about another minute and we should be good to go. Okay, so now it's been a total of 1.5 minutes and it's ready. As you can see, it's come together like a dough. Now we need to let this cool. Don't let it cool completely, but I'll give it 10 minutes and then we can mold the penda. So as you can see, it's come together. Okay, and it's not sticking to the sides as well, so that's ready. So we need to give it 10 minutes and then we mold. So 10 minutes later I've come back. And as you can see, I've molded the penda. Okay, 1 tablespoon worth, and just mold that. You can do any size or any shape you like. So like this, there we go. They're all ready, and I'm just going to put like a small depression in the middle. So I'm going to just, so that we can add our pistachios and almonds to make it look really pretty. So I've got some ground pistachios and almonds. I'm just going to put a tiny pinch of that in between all of them. And like this, I'm going to do the rest. So here we are, microwave penda ready within 2.5 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.